Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss what are views in SQL. So I have created one database CollegeDB. I have views here. So in this CollegeDB database I have created one table employee. In this employee table there are multiple columns: employee ID, employee name, email, salary, phone number, address. And in this employee table there are multiple records. So when I will execute this select query, I am getting all the records, all the table, all the information from the employee table. Suppose in this employee table, so there are like private information also, like salary, phone number, address. So company want not to display this information by anyone who is running this select query. Even if the authorized person also if running the select query, they will get this incomplete information. But normal from in the company wants to restrict the normal users from displaying this salary or the phone number or address. Company just wants to access them this three information, suppose employee ID, employee name, email. So when even if I run this query, select employee ID, even employee name, email from the employee table, I am getting the hidden data. Means I am not getting the salary or the address or phone number by using this select query. In that only three columns I have selected. But if I modified this query, suppose I am a normal user, I modified it and I choose salary column also. If I select the salary column also and I execute this, so I am also, by having the normal user, I am also getting the salary column of all the employees in the company, which the company wants to restrict. So by using the simple select query, everyone will access all the complete data. So here comes the concept of views. So views, by using views, we can hide this private information and only display the information which is basic or like which we want to display to the normal users on all these things. So for that, what we can do? Suppose we wants to display the normal users only three things, three information. Suppose that employee ID, employee name, email from the employee. So what we can do? We can create one view. View is not like we can create a separate table. It is like a virtual table. Means it does not save this data separately. What it can do, when we create this view and when we execute this view, it runs, or the SQL server execute the select query from inside this view from the table and display the data. So no separate data is stored into the database inside the view. So what we can give the name to the view, suppose employee so we have created one view and we have give it name employee public view. We will execute this. We will give it name 1. So as you can see, we can see here command completed successfully. So we have created a view. So what is the benefit of it? So whenever anyone will execute the select query to run the view is like, so here we have got our view. If I executed this view, I am getting those same data. So as we have created here a view, so in this view, so in this select statement, so there are only three columns: employee ID, employee name, email. So all the normal user will see only this three information. They would not able to see the information of the salary or the phone number of the or the address of all the employees. And what is if we modified this view and if we added salary, but views does not provide security, so we have to provide access. So these are the two permission. So grant means we are giving access. So if we use grant, so on the views, so we are giving access. In this query we can see, so grant select on employee public view to employee user. So it is its meaning is like we are giving access to the view which is employee public view to the employee users. So all the users which are employee users or the normal users will have the access only to the this employee public view, which suppose if this was the view, so all the employee user will get only or to able to see the information which under this view only, and we will deny the access, means we are restricting to the access to the employee users to directly accessing to the employee. If the normal user or the employee users are accessing this query, select query star from directly to the employee table, they will restricted from it by giving the restricted access. They are having only grant the access, means they have only given the access to access this view only. So by using the access, we can give the views or the normal tables security. And if we wants to give access to edit the users, so again we have to, if we want to change something, like again if after some time in the view we want like to visible salary also, so what we can do, we edited the view the same which we can do in store procedure. In the view also we have to just do the alter. If we do alter and if we execute this, so you can see commands completed successfully. And if we run this view again, so we can see previously there was only 3 tables: employee ID, employee name, email, and now the one more table which is salary will also visible for all the employee users, because employee users having the access to see the public view only. So in the company tables, company has to be give the access and restrict access to the all the employee users. By that they can be able to handle all the conditions and all these things. And we can see in the left side in the views, we can see our view, SQL view. Like suppose if I want to see edit top 200 records, so I can see here, I can see all the records or all the records in that my view. So in that view we have edited now the salary table also. So salary table is also included in this. So by using this we can also see the only the tables which we want to display to the users, which we can use to the which we can use using views by giving the access to the normal users and all these things.